Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Coach unboxing for you guys, and I'm really excited about this one because it is a gift for my mom. So let me explain. If you guys follow me on Instagram already, it's the same name as my channel. It's Hello Catwalk City. I usually try to post sale alerts as quickly as I find out about them, and recently there was a 30% promo going on with Coach, and I was able to get a discount on my Coach Cassie 19 bag, so I saved about $90 on that one. And then on the final day of the sale, I went back and I ordered something for my mom because I know that she loves handbags as well. I mean, like mother, like daughter. And also, she had been eyeing my LV Pochette Métis because she really liked the size of it. So that might be a dead giveaway in terms of what's inside here. But let me quickly unbox this. I was able to find the exact combination that I think would work really well for her, and it's the perfect size. So I'm going to gently unbox this because I want to keep the tissue paper intact. I want to keep all the packaging intact for her since she will be opening this for herself, and she knows I'm doing an unboxing and that I will give this to her after. Okay, here we go. I'm sure you recognize it. It is the Coach Cassie, the original version in the larger size. I have the smaller size. I can do a quick comparison a little bit later in this video. So it's the black pebbled leather with the brassy hardware, and you've got the C turn lock. Super classic, very simple, very sleek. I will not remove all of the packaging, but I will remove enough of it so you can get a better look. And there's some construction going on behind me this morning, so there's a bit of background noise. I hope it's not too distracting for you guys. So here is the shoulder strap that can be worn crossbody, and it is obviously detachable because it has the hooks here. And I'll leave this packaging intact, but just show you a little bit. It's the matching black pebbled hardware, and it's got the buckle, and it's adjustable because it has multiple holes. So there's that. I'll move that aside. I just want to focus on the main bag itself. So here you have the attached top handle, which is a little bit different from the Cassie 19 where it doesn't have an attached top handle. Here we go. I love how Coach puts so much tissue paper and wrapping on every little nook and cranny of the bag to protect it when it's being shipped. If you're ordering direct from Coach, this is what you'll get. If you're ordering from a third party like a Nordstrom or a Macy's, I think the packaging can be a little bit minimal and a bit wonky sometimes. I've seen some funny YouTube videos where packaging didn't look right, and in some cases security tags were left on and that sort of thing. So I do enjoy ordering direct from the Coach website. So here you have it. There's a little bit of a scratch I'm seeing here. I think it's very subtle, and you can only see it because of the strong sunlight coming through the camera, but I'm going to keep an eye on that and see if I can rub it out before I give it to my mom. And then here's this nice back pocket. I love the compartments. You guys know I'm a huge fan of compartments, so I just want to see how the inside of this looks compared to the Cassie 19. Ooh, a lot of packaging. All right, so what is that in the bottom? Okay, so here you've got one nice compartment here. Oh, I like this. There's a little pocket here. It's not even little. It's quite a nice sized pocket along the sides of the main compartment, if you can see that. And then you have the main compartment. You have a zippered compartment. Very, very smooth zipper. And then you have this pocket here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. 6 compartments. Really well thought out. Really nicely organized. And a really nice size for my mom because she usually carries more in terms of daily essentials than I do. So let me quickly do a side by side. Let me just get this stuff out of the way for you so that you can have a clean look. I'm going to compare with my Cassie 19 that I bought pretty recently, and mine is in the chalk color. So just to give you a comparison, the Cassie 19 is definitely shorter in height. It's about 1 inch shorter in height, maybe a little over 1 inch. And then you can see in terms of the length, it's more square, and the original Cassie is definitely more rectangular. So you can see there, it's probably about 1.5 inches of a difference. And then if you look at the sides here, let me move this over. The Cassie, the original Cassie, is more straight and slim, and interestingly, the 19 is wider at the base and more triangular. I don't know why that's the case, but it is. They both have the back pockets. The Cassie 19 does not have this attached top handle, but the cool thing about this one is that it comes with 3 different straps. So it comes with a chain strap and a top handle strap and a crossbody strap. So here's 1, 2, 3. So it comes with 3 different straps, and it's really fun to kind of mix and match. So it's just a little bit of a different play on the bag. I think this is more classic. I think this is going to last my mom many, many years. She can wear this pretty much every day. I feel like this is a bag that you can wear with any outfit and you don't have to baby it, and it's going to be low maintenance, especially with the really durable but soft pebbled leather. Let's compare the inside here. And my mom really liked the size of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, like I mentioned, so I'm going to show you a side-by-side and see how the sizes compare. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 with the zipper, and then 5. So the Cassie, the original one, has 1 extra pocket, which is this one here along the sides. I really like this pocket because you can put your card holder, put some smaller items in here, and it would provide that extra bit of organization. So let me give you a close-up. You've got the burgundy, or they call it the ox blood color, the lining here. Really nicely done. This is all glazing, so for those of you who have a fear of glazing, just wanted to point that out. All the Cassie bags have glazing, and this one, the glazing looks very neatly done, very clean, no issues, no warping, no cracking, nothing like that. Yep. Let's see here. I don't want to pull this off. If you missed my more in-depth video of the Cassie 19, I'll link it down below in the description box so you can take a look, because I don't want to tear all of this off. There's a lot of similarities with the Cassie 19 if you want to take a look and watch that video instead. I would advise my mom to take this little tag off just because I think it looks cleaner. And she and I have very similar aesthetics, so I think she will agree. So let me now do a quick comparison of the original Cassie with the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, because she was really keen on finding something that was that size. So let me just move this stuff to the side here. Okay, so here is my Pochette Métis. Let me see, is it really truly? Oh my gosh, it's pretty much the exact same size. They're like twins. Yeah, look at it. The height, the width, the depth, everything looks pretty much identical. You can see like this. One here, like this. Oops. So the Cassie stands up much easier because it has a flatter bottom, and here this is a little mushier. Let's see. There you go. So yeah, there's a video, there's a post I did on my Instagram saying that the Celine box bag that I have in the medium size is like the sister, like they're almost like a twin to my Pochette Métis, but actually now I think these two are twins for sure, because look, they look so similar. Now this top handle is a little bit more elevated. You see that? But it can lay flatter if you want it to, but it has a little bit of an elevated look to it, whereas the Pochette Métis is flatter and lays kind of lays on the top, and then you just pull it up like so. But let's see the inside. So I have this pile of mess on my left here. Okay, so you've got 1 compartment, 2, no zippered compartment, 3, and then 4 is the zippered compartment in the back. So definitely the Coach Cassie has more compartments, and I have to say the zippers on the Coach bags are so smooth. They're like butter. And so that's another reason why I'm just falling back in love with this brand. For those of you who watched some of my earlier videos recently, You know, I have taken a break from the Coach brand for almost 2 decades, probably about 2 decades, and I'm just falling back in love with the brand. I'm reminded of how amazing the quality and the craftsmanship is, and also the price is so decent. So I really hope my mom loves this bag. I can imagine her wearing this crossbody because it will look really cute on her crossbody. She and I are very similar, like I said, in terms of the types of things we like, our styles, really simple, really classic, comfortable, lightweight, that sort of thing. So yeah, even as a top handle, so cute. Great size. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to join the fun. Till next time, thanks so much for watching. Bye.